So C. What one may ask a non-Jew to do for Chol Shein Bo Sakana. So what we can ask non-Jew to do. So the rule again, as we said many times, whatever you're not allowed to do yourself, you're not allowed to ask non-Jew to do. But here in this case, we'll see a little, there is some leniency. Okay, so let's see. One may ask a non-Jew to perform any act on behalf of Chol Shein Bo Sakana, including melacha that is prohibited biblically. So that's exception, as I said. The following a few examples. So, and you can ask them like straightforward way. Cook a soup, right? So of course you're supervising them, as we're going to learn tomorrow in kosher kitchen. But right, you would not be allowed to cook soup from the beginning, but he would be allowed to. One may ask a non-Jew to phone a doctor to obtain instruction in order to assist the sick person. Okay, so you would not be allowed. So for sure, it's phone a doctor is biblical. I mean, yeah, using the phone is many issues. Okay, next one. But we hear like we're talking here, not even like the cell phone that we have today, but even like a stationary, like a house phone, right? Landline. Okay. B. One may ask non-Jew to drive to the pharmacy to purchase medicine for a sick person. So of course, driving is prohibited for you, and paying money is prohibited to you. But that's like very, very useful, these things. And next one, C. One may ask non-Jew to turn on light so that someone can attend to the needs of sick person. Right, and many times this turning of light, it's for like sick person. Sometimes, as we learn in Nishmat Abraham in the medical class, that the sick person getting like very scared, very, very like upset that he or she would think that people forget about them. They would not see how to treat them right because of the lamp. There is not enough light. So okay, you're allowed to turn on the light for them. Here's asking non-Jew. Okay. And next one, D. One may ask a non-Jew to cook fresh food or boil water for the sick person if a person needs to wash up a little. Like in some cases, they need to wash like periodically because of this because of some condition. Okay. So commentary. Note: food cooked by a non-Jew is often prohibited because bishul akum. Prohibition of the non-Jew cooking, but we knew that. You see, we got ready in our kosher kitchen class, so we knew that. So that's why I said right away. So in your kitchen with your supervision. Okay. This prohibition does not apply to foods cooked for a sick person. I mean, it is true, but like. I think they only can eat this food only until they're sick. I mean, until they cannot obtain any other food. So after Yom Tov, so I think they would not be allowed to continue eating the food, and other Jews are not allowed to eat this food. But okay, if I remember correctly, the prohibition does not apply to foods cooked for a sick person, meaning a non-Jew can cook for them. Of course, but it must be kosher, of course. However, the other individuals may not eat the food. Okay. Furthermore, a sick person himself may not eat this food after Shabbos or Yom Tov, unless no other food is available. But if you can cook for them fresh food, so this food, even though it was allowed while he was sick on Yom Tov or Shabbos, but after Yom Tov, that's it. You have to get rid of this food. All right. So we finish with these two categories, and now we're planning to go to the third one, localized ailment. So let me see if we have any questions, because those are two the most serious. I mean, others also very, very important. Okay.